on the house, everybody else is like down.
Look, today is August 21st. They are now 6 weeks old. And you can see how excited they are. And Kathy's going to go play with them. Look at that. Yeah, notice Kathy's keeping her shoes on now because at this stage, these puppies have razor sharp teeth. And boy, can they bite. Let me see. Let's see. Now there's Bear. Oh, wait a minute. Ay, ay, ay. Here we go. There's Bear. Look at that little guy.
Come on, let me down.
There's Ruka. And way in the back over there to the right is Mochi. Mochi might end up being a red sesame. If she is, somebody got the rarest color of a Shiba Inu.
I'm coming.
Look at those tails. Somebody disappeared. Oh, there she is. There's Mochi. There's Bear. And on the left is Ruka. Yeah, see that? Look at that. Look at Bear's tail go. He loves to love. Look at that. Okay. Let's do some close-ups of their faces. People are waiting to see that. Oh, Bear. Okay, let me see. Hey, Bear, look over here. Hey, Bear. Hi, Bear.
He goes, I don't want to look over here.
And right there, there's Ruka. Okay, here we go. This is Mochi. Hey, Mochi. Over here. Mochi. Hey, smile for the camera. Oh, well, she wants to get down. And here's, I got a closer look at Ruka. There she goes. See how well she knows her name? Kathy calls her name, and here she comes. There we go. Ooh, that's a really good one there. She posed really well. Okay. Look at that. There's Bear. Chomping away. Kathy's arm. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Boy, look at that. Look at the excitement.
Oh, yes.
And you know what? All three of these dogs are kissers. They all really like to kiss. Oh, man. And Ruka, man, every day, all day, she's screaming for us to come over and play with her. See if I can get a side shot. There you go over here and get a side shot of them. There we go. How are they, belly rubs? Nope, no belly rubs. This is the only litter that doesn't seem to like belly rubs.
Belly rubs? She's like, what? Huh?
It's the first time we have a full litter. Don't belly rub me. I don't like it.
How about you? Heck no.
Nope. They like to play, but they don't like belly rubs.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, look at them.
Right there.
Honestly, I could film for a long, long time. Oh, did you hear that thunder, everybody? It is pouring rain out here, big time. Yeah, look at this. Oh yeah, they're 6 weeks old, so that means they're going to start the crate training process. Well, we're going to dread it with these guys because these guys scream for us as it is. But we're going to do it. We're going to sacrifice our sleep so that way they don't scream and shout when you get them home. Look at that. There they are. Oh, there goes Bear again.
Oh my goodness.
Somebody's really missing out on a loving dog. I tell you that right now.
I'm gonna lick my whole face.
This boy is a charmer. Look at
no! Come here.
Here's Ruka. You want to know where Mochi is? Right there, playing with a towel.
Yeah.
So when Mochi goes home to the family, warning, warning, keep your towels away. Mochi. Oh look, and Ruka. Oh yeah.
My shoe.
There you go. Keep the shoes away from Ruka, y'all.
Here's my shoe. Get your gun.
Look at that.